What do women use for self-suggestion? Remember, self-suggestion is a very powerful mechanism, and it requires a special approach. It is believed that self-suggestion occurs only when we take 4 steps. First step. The first step is behavioral. You need to calm down, find a quiet, peaceful place, sit comfortably, and relax so that you can get out of the situation where you were tense. The second point is that you internally tune yourself to the positive. You mentally say, I feel very good right now. Everything is fine. Everything is going great for me. This is a positive mindset. Third, this is very important. You need to mentally imagine what you will be like when everything comes true as you want. And this imagined state of yours, you must definitely complement it somehow with your behavior. For example, if you say, when I am healthy, I will dance. And at that time, you need to get up and dance, at least do a few moves. You understand that is, you are setting an intention for your body that, yes, I feel good and I will dance. And only then does the fourth moment appear. The fourth moment, science has proven, structural and biochemical changes begin inside each cell. So, my dear ones, thus self-suggestion is a powerful mechanism that we never use. And I have told you about 4 steps that can activate this mechanism. Therefore, in any situation, my dear women, always know that everything is in your hands. Once you start applying this, your life will change. You may be interested, and I want to share some good news with you. My beloved daughter-in-law named Kenji is opening a psychology academy. Her psychology academy is unique. Why? Because while providing you with lectures, there are 9 lectures on various pressing issues. She will also be available for personal consultations around the clock. So, please pay attention to this. And I want to say that I have added my part to the Psychology Academy. What is it? Even back when Kenji was still hesitant to go on air, I had already developed tests that you can use to self-assess and determine your condition. I have many of these tests, and we will also include the best ones in the Academy of Psychology. All additional information is in the link below.